Purchasing a home for a business owner, an entrepreneur, sometimes can seem like a nightmare or almost impossible. What I want to talk to you guys about is a couple of different programs there is for business owners. And one of the biggest reasons why business owners struggle so much to buy a home is because of the loan amount they're approved for. Now, the biggest struggle with loans when it comes to purchasing a house is you have to show on paper how much money you can afford. And it doesn't usually go based on your gross amount. Most banks require your taxes, your last 2 years' returns, to figure out how much you're approved for. Now, what I'm here to tell you is there's actually different products. There's a couple of different products from banks called non-QM products, meaning these are not your typical lenders, not your typical banks. These are private investors offering different types of products when it comes to loans. So the first one that you can do, number one, you can do the bank statement loan. What they're gonna look at is how much money gets deposited every single month into your bank account. And they're gonna go based on the last 12 months. Sometimes depending on your credit score, they might require 24 months. For the most part, all they require are 12 months. So what they're gonna look at is how much money do you gross or how much money do you deposit every single month? And then they're gonna average it out. Number two, there's also a P&L type of loan where you're gonna need a CPA to go ahead and let them know what the profit and loss is for that year. So with this type of program, they won't even require 12 months of bank statements. All they need is a certified CPA letter, letting them know how much money you actually profit, how much money do you actually make. So if you're a business owner and you actually show all your money on your taxes and you show what you actually net, then you can do your typical FHA loan, where they're going to ask you for 2 years worth of taxes, and then they're going to average it out. Now, if your credit score is over a 700 FICO and you can actually prove that the last year you did taxes, you netted higher than 100,000 in order to buy here in San Diego, then you can actually do number four, a conventional loan. With this conventional loan, all they require is 1 year worth of taxes. The only catch is your business has to have been open for the last 5 years. You need to have filed taxes on that business for the last 5. They're not going to worry about your first, second, third, or fourth year, but they're going to worry about the last year worth of taxes. So if you're a business owner, you've been to several different banks, you haven't been able to get approved, you've been with different realtors, I recommend you shoot me a DM, shoot me a message so I can see what best fits you.